The British royal family's relation to Islam you never knew about. King Charles says he's been taking Arabic lessons so he can read the Quran. Kate Middleton wore a hijab on multiple occasions in respect for Islam on her mosque visits. Queen Victoria's assistant was an Indian Muslim Abdul Karim, whom she had a very close friendship with. Historians believed Queen Elizabeth II is the descendant of Prophet Muhammad, 43 generations down. Queen Victoria studied Islam later in life, with her last words on her deathbed being Alhamdulillah, which means praise be to Allah. Princess Diana was interested in Islam, who wanted to convert during her relationship with Pakistani heart surgeon Hasnat Khan, then later with Egyptian film producer Dodi Fayed, son of Mohammed Fayed, former owner of Harrods. Prince William, the future King of England, frequently visits mosques, with people speculating his strong interest in Islam may lead to a conversion. Here's the crazy one. Queen Victoria ruled over more Muslims than the Ottoman Empire and ordered an Islamic guidebook called Faith of Islam, which summarized the religion to be translated to 13 languages. Like and follow for more surprising Islamic facts.